Hi everyone, and welcome to Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael here with Chef Kale, and today we're showing you how to make some amazing food right there in your own home. Chef Kale, you're working hard over here. You got some butter. What are you doing over here?
I'm just making a simple caramel with butter and brown sugar.
It smells really, really good.
Today is Bananas Foster's Day.
Oh, okay.
All right, so we're gonna throw our bananas in. Well, it's nice and hot. This is perfect any time of the day.
Now, is there a certain consistency we need to look for with the brown sugar and the butter?
So typically it's 2 to 1. It's 2 parts brown sugar to 1 part butter.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter. I mean, if you do 2 ounces, you use 4.
Excellent.
So that's kind of how you do the equation there.
All right.
But I did want to show off and show you a trick. Do you want to see one?
Yeah, please. We always love tricks.
All right, so I'm going to close my eyes.
Really? That scares me, but it's really, really, really awesome. I'm impressed, Chef Kale. I'm impressed.
No, it's just fun to do in front of the kids because they're like, oh my God.
I was the same way.
All right, so now that we have our bananas in, the fun part begins.
Okay.
So
you're really coating those bananas with that brown sugar and butter, okay?
You want to get them nice and caramelized and beautiful.
All right.
So traditional is brandy,
okay,
liqueur, but what you can also use is rum or whiskey.
Excellent.
I like brandy just because it gives it that sweetness, you know what I mean?
And more of a traditional way too.
So you see how it's all bubbly and happy?
Yep.
Now, always, always, always take off the flame, add it, tilt it. Now go ahead and start throwing some of that in there and watch what it does.
Oh, it's like fireworks here in the Chef's Kitchen. That is awesome.
And that's
I could do that all day long.
Okay,
is that enough?
That's enough. Add a little bit of vanilla.
Okay.
Now, vanilla bean ice cream is the key.
Okay.
You cannot just use French vanilla ice cream.
You've got to have the little black specks in there.
The vanilla beans,
Yep.
yes. Otherwise, Julia Childs comes back from her grave and murders us all. And I don't want that. Do you want that in your life,
Not
Josh?
one bit. That's not good.
Okay,
Gosh,
so
that smells so good.
See how it all kind of liquefied,
Yeah.
caramelized? And you can let that go and reduce just a little bit if you need to.
Okay.
So this is perfect for bananas that are starting to go, rather than just throwing them in your freezer and forgetting about them for 2 months.
That's great, yeah.
Just whip it up for the kids. Whip it up for the in-laws. They get really, really impressed.
And then just put it over the ice cream.
Put it right over.
Banana Foster, that is amazing. That's so good. Oh, it smells so good. Thank you so much for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn about the Chef's Kitchen catering for your next event, visit thechefskitchen.com. See you next time. This smells so good.
Let's get some spoons.
Yeah.